Hi guys. Today I'm gonna be stocking some my friends some of the shopping that I got in my last video that are right here in this little thing. We just took out the lunchboxes and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna be definitely stocking this because I told the other one on my other videos that I would stock this on next video when I opened up this bakery. Let's get started by opening up this bakery. I'll show you all the shopping that I'm going to put in here, and after we get this opened up. Okay, now that I got this here, let's take it out of the box. The bakery sign fell off. Nobody can know that it's a bakery without a bakery sign, right? But, okay, now let's get everything out. Where's that? Now that we got out our bakery, like all the tape out of the bag, stuff like off of this, I'm gonna start opening up. So in here, these exclusive Shopkins are this like little I don't know what this is. It's a little bread, little piece of cakey thing. And I think this is like something like chicken something, because it looks like chicken because of the hand. Wait, let me move these back. Okay, now let's open this out. Okay, I do not know how to put this up. Oh, okay, on the bottom. I see now. So this is hard to get out. Okay, that's what I thought it would be. Okay, now that we get all the stuff out from the bottom, I think it will come out really easily now. Yeah, and it will. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, so it's like this ball thing, and it's cool, it's been some of the chocolate, and that's cool. I think that's really cool. That's good. Right here we got these little season 1 baskets. Pretty cute someplace. And there's like these 2 little trays that they were sitting on in the little bakery. And we can put the trays right here, put the baskets on. They were on the trays. The bakery. Okay. Now that we got all the stuff out, now we can start to play with these 2 sets. Before we get on the box. Okay, now that I did everything, I think it's helpful. I just want to put these on. Some more time so people are going shopping. Okay, now let's start getting some Shopkins. In here, my simple lunchbox. Have some Shopkins that we can stock. Let's see, we can stock bucket. What about this Hershey Kiss can go into it? That would be good. And it can. I think only the Shopkins that are like really big can like bounce. Okay, now let's give one Shopkin a little ride. Oh, I forgot about these. Put these in there too. It's cool. Like the Shopkin can have a little ride. See what else we can do. Oh, this opens. You can put some Shopkins right here. Here, this is the one from the So Cool fridge. And it's a frozen from Saving Room. I'm happy that I got the So Cool fridge. Okay. I think this looks cool. Have a little another Shopkin. Let's start shopping. Stocking the So Cool fridge. Let's see, so I can see the So Cool fridge. Let me just stock some Shopkin and then I'll see the. Okay, now I just put some 3 Shopkins in there, and I'm going to show you how this works really quick. It already fell, but it should fall when you push this. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching my video.